Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video in 144 days, I guess, of learning how to hack. This video is going to get a bit intense and a bit interesting. Like past videos were like, yeah, we were getting somewhere, we don't know where we are getting, but this video is something cool. So let me just give you an overview of this video, what this is gonna do. So without even getting connected to a Wi-Fi, you can see like we have a list of Wi-Fi's to connect from every time, but we don't know the password or anything. Yeah, you really need not the password of anything. But what you can do is, as you know from the past video, we saw how to check which devices are connected to some other Wi-Fi devices. You know what I'm saying, right? Like there are many Wi-Fi devices and like hotspots, and how many devices are connected to the hotspot, what is the MAC address of this hotspot, we can know everything, right? Right? You know that fact? So the funny thing is we were not even connected to those networks, but we were able to monitor the Wi-Fi, the connected Wi-Fi's to that hotspots. So connected devices to the hotspot without even signing in or like typing the passwords to those hotspot. Do you know what I'm saying, right? How many multiple devices are connected always to a hotspot, but you cannot connect because you don't know the password. But the thing is, you can know the MAC address of devices who are connected. This is something cool. We already did this in the past video, but this video gets more interesting. You know what we can do in this video? By keeping running, let me just show you what. By keeping running, where is it? Um, by keeping running aerodump, okay, aerodump ng in the background on our target Wi-Fi hotspot, and keeping running the other software, that is AirPlay ng, you can make disconnect the whoever is connected to that hotspot, that very person or like many people, one by one you can disconnect to them. Like they will get disconnected from the network. You know what it's like? How do I explain it? It's like such a cool thing. You understand whatever it is. The authentication attack. Disconnect any client from any network. Basically, it sums up. Works on encryption networks like WEP, WPA, and WPA2. Works on everything. No need to know the network's key. Like you no need to sign in. No need to connect to the network. That's what basically means. So you have to use this AirPlay. This is the new software. We have been using Aerodump in the past. uh Okay. AirPlay ng, the authentication, and you have to, I guess, you have to type in number of packets. So it's always a good practice to send, I guess, 1,000. I don't know how much it was. Okay, we will be shown how much to. Oh, yeah, not even thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. I guess 10 crore of packets. Packets basically data, and okay, these are like packets of data, and A will just specify the you know network, like network MAC and target MAC. Here I have to type in the hotspot name, and here in the network's name, device name which is connected to that hotspot. And here you'll use our MAC our Wi-Fi card's MAC address. Our Wi-Fi card's name basically. Anyway, so let me just show you one more time. So this is the router and it is connected to the internet, and this is the client. Let me just show you properly. So this is the client, and what we're gonna do here is like source MAC. Source is this one, source MAC. This is our original. This is the source MAC. So source MAC is 001122334455. So this is not the MAC address of the hackers, right? But this is the MAC address of the client. So we are mimicking the MAC address of the client, and the destination is like basically the router's MAC address. So we are just giving it a message that I want to disconnect the authentication message we are giving it, and it is taking it at the same time. What we are doing, we are acting like the router, and we are sending this message to the destination MAC, that is the client, that you are going to be disconnected. So we are doing both of these things at the same time. using only AirPlay NG. So what we need to do right now is we have to keep on running aerodump ng in the background. So we need so this is Wi-Fi which is connected to the same hotspot. Okay, so we'll be running this code. This airplay ng dash dash the authenticate the deauth. You have like 10 crore NSA. Now this here F823B2 B950A8 is, if you look carefully, 80E6. I see 58. I forgot what was it. 80. So here is like, with the hotspot many devices are connected, so this is one of the devices name. So we have to write this at the very end. We have to write this at the very end, and here you have to write in the target machine. Like in our case, the target machine is this. Like it has 2.4 gigahertz. Basically, this is the router name. Basically, you can understand this is the router name, and this is the BSS ID of the router. So this is what the code would look like. The command would look like. Aeroplane G, the authenticate number of packets minus A, yeah, hyphen A will give us, we have to put in the router's name here, and then C, and then we have to put in for, what is the thing called? Connected devices to the hotspot, and minus D is nothing but, if your router is 5 gigahertz, but in this case it was 2.4 gigahertz, so they have not mentioned D. They have straight away typed their Wi-Fi interface card name. But if this is 5 gigahertz, you have to type my hyphen D, and then, so, and at the same, before you run this code, you have to run this one first. Arrow dump ng bssid channel, whatever the channel is, and mon 0, yeah, whatever your Wi-Fi card name is. Okay, this is kind of intense, I told you. So after you have typed, you have press enter, and in the new terminal, just type this command which we are preparing for so long. That's it. After that, it will get disconnected. So there are a few things about it. Like the chances are it might not happen, uh, but the chances are it will happen. High chances of this is being successful is high. The other thing about this is, um, yeah, this handshake should happen. This handshake kind of a thing should happen. Then only all of this is possible. And one more thing about this is, yeah, even if you have made this computer get disconnected, the chances are it might again get reconnected. It is because, um, your router has two versions running on at the same time. So it is currently running on 2.4 gigahertz because you scan for 2.4 gigahertz only. But if you want to make it disconnected entirely, you have to type in, as I told you in the last video, in the last few minutes, you have to type minus D here in the command. So the chances are it might get disconnected, but it might get disconnected, but it can again go into the Wi-Fi. It can again go into the Wi-Fi and get connected to some other network. So if this device MAC addresses get connected to some other network, you have to again search its this MAC address and search for which device it is connected to, and after that apply the same kind of command and make it disconnect. Two commands and make it disconnect. So you know what? And yeah, what are the other things of this is, this is such a cool attack and such a basic attack at the same time, and you can after this act like from the customer care and then tell like your device has got disconnected because of this reason. You have to install this software uh, into your device first, and then it might get reconnected. Or you can, handshake are important for, I guess, for a lot of things, so we will be taught about that in the future. But yeah, so you can act like a customer care something and like do that reverse engineering thing. um, You can create a fake Wi-Fi hotspot, and that then they are connected, and you can get entire control over the device, and that's all. So you know what we'll do right now? We'll just open the VMware software and try to do whatever. Start here right now. Let's see how much of it is possible. So we'll wait until then. We'll be pausing a bit. Hey, so our system got loaded and I think it started. Let's just check. Hmm. Let's just check, bro. Um, yeah, it has started. So, do you see the difference in the screen? Yeah, yeah. I changed my this wallpaper. So easy. Right click, change the background, and you get a lot of options. This is so slow, bro. Why is it so slow? I have 3060 in my laptop. RTX 3060, Ryzen 9. Even after that, so slow. Shame on you. Okay, anyway, so what we're gonna do first of all is open. Let's just open our terminal only, and let's do the command of iw-config for practice. No Wi-Fi connected. If config. Okay, so we have to connect it first of all. Oh, by the way, for this attack or anything to be even possible, um, what we will do, my laptops, this Windows which I'm using, it is connected. Okay, it is connected to my phone. It's an iPhone. It's connected to that. So we will be having two devices connected to it because I'm right now going to connect my Samsung Galaxy A20 to it. Who's called me? Dad. Anyway, so I'll be connecting to it. And yeah, it got connected. So basically, there are two devices right now connected to this Wi-Fi. So we will make sure that yeah, it is true or not. And I'm very happy right now that I'm going to do something very cool right now. So let's do if config. So this wireless device is connected and IW config to share. It's in a managed mode. We don't want managed. We want what do we want? We want first of all you have to do IW. Let's just we'll go back to the commands and let's see. Okay, where did it go? Where did it go? The command to okay, if config land 0 down, so this will basically make it go down. So and other command is um, monitor mode. Where is that monitor mode command? Monitor IW config land 0 mode monitor. Clear, ready. So let's do up and let's do if config. Oh, IW config, sorry, IW config. And now you can see it's in monitor mode. That's crazy. Okay, so cool. Um, but for last time we performed some aero dump ng on land 0. So what did it do? Let's check. Oh, crazy. So as our Wi-Fi card is now on. Oh, something is biting my. Is on. Wait a second. Where is my where is my Wi-Fi? I can't search mine. That's crazy. That's real crazy. Where is my name should be shown here, right? The funny thing it's not shown. Hmm, crazy. Um, that doesn't matter for now, but it matters, bro. I'm actually searching for my. Oh, by the way, bro. By the way, I read it. It's not. I think my. But it should show, bro. Why isn't it working? Let's just control C. Why didn't it work? Let me just clear everything again. I feel so sad right now. Let's, by the way, IW config. Let's see. Yeah, it's in monitor mode. It's in monitor mode. Okay, let's perform that very attack. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. तू आता है सीने में. Mm, we're going really back, not there. I think we typed the right command only, I guess. Yeah. So this is the command, zero dump and zero and zero. It should most probably, yeah. So our device is shown right now, and is it connected to the hotspot? Yeah, it's at the same time connected to the hotspot, and everything looks fine. Now our device is shown here. Like it was shown, right? Few minutes back it was shown. Now it's gone. Crazy. Why is it gone? Let's pause it, I guess. How can it come and go? What the fuck is wrong with this hotspot? Control C. Again, it's the same command. Okay. So we paused it and we have our IDs, BSS ID. We have the okay. So let's just copy the BSS ID, Control Shift C for Windows, and just remember the channel also. What the channel is running on? Channel 6. Crazy. So okay, kiddos. Okay. Um, how can I forget the commands? That's crazy, right? Um, okay. Oh, by the way, we have to just change here, right? We'll just get rid of this. Let's get rid of this, and let's just straight up we're gonna show V. So, is this the right? ES670, yeah. It is the MAC address in this channel 6. And instead of writing anything, we don't have to do that. We have to just run it. So, with time, it should show the number of devices connected to it. So we got first device it's showing is connected. Before network is down again, network is up. So we have got one devices to it. One device connected to it. Yeah, we got two devices connected to this, and both of them have different. Hmm. Okay, so I really don't know which one is which. So let me just check my phone if the network is working on it. So let's just keep this running, and we'll add one more terminal. Let's just keep this running and we'll run our new command here. This is AirPlay. But let me just check if if the network is available on my Samsung phone. Okay, it's a fucking slow phone. So just let me just open YouTube on this. Okay, so YouTube is opening and we are able to see the videos and new videos and everything. Crazy. So okay, it's working. Okay, so right now it's working. So, and at the same time on my device, let me just check if my device network is working. Yeah, it's fucking working. And do we know any detail about which is which? Do we know? We don't know. Anyway, we'll try on first and then we'll try on second. And let's just see. We are just experimenting, bro. So, what is the command? What is the damn command? Okay. I really don't know my hotspot. Is it like 5 gigahertz or 2 gigahertz? I really don't know. But still, without it, we will try. If it works, it's fine. If it doesn't work, it's also fine. Let me just give it this mode. Okay, so we have to type in the command. What happened to this? Okay, here. So we'll be typing our air play, air replay, air replay, air replay, air replay ना air AI replay है वो AI replay. Okay, correct. Hyphen ng dash dash the auth, the authenticate, the auth, and then one. I don't know how many zeros. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay, let me check. One, two, three. How many zeros are there? My eyes are very weak. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One. Okay, here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Um. Okay, we'll type hyphen a, and then F8. What is this thing? What is F8? Wait a second. What is F8? Oh, F8 is nothing but our iPhone's MAC address. iPhone hotspot's MAC address. So let's just check it out. What is the iPhone's MAC address or anything? So where is the MAC address of iPhone, buddy? So is this running in the background? I guess it is. So, hey, it did. How did it quit on its own? It shouldn't. I didn't quit. So iPhone's MAC address is this. So we'll just again Control Shift C to copy and Control Shift V to paste. Okay, so far so good. And again we have to log out and not log out, like get out, and after that I guess we have to type hyphen c, and after that we have to type in the target's MAC address. Okay, so it's the target's MAC address. So these are the stations, these are the devices that are connected to the hotspot. So I have two devices, that is my host computer and my Samsung phone. So let me just zoom in. um, okay, so we have two devices, these are the stations. I don't know which is which, so whatever is it, so I'll just Control Shift C, copied it, and we're just going to Shift V. I don't know, this is 921, that is 927. I don't know if this is my laptops or this is my laptops. I mean, we can just give it a Wireshark run, and we can come to know like most probably what are these devices. But who cares right now? We don't. I just want to see if this works or not. Um, we don't know um, if the mm, if the iPhone hotspot is 5 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz. We don't know, or it's 4 gigahertz. We don't know that. But let's try. So if it is 5 gigahertz, we have to do, I guess, hyphen capital D. But we want to try without it, right? So let's just still make sure once. So okay, you have to type D, but if it is not D, don't care D. So you have to just type LAN 0 in our case because our Wi-Fi name is LAN 0. Okay, WLAN LAN 0. So are you guys ready? Let's see. So, oh damn. So it started to send this. Let's see which device got disconnected. Let's just make sure like this device is connected. So this device shows this is connected. Okay, this has no effect on it. Let's see my phone. You know what? You know what? I'm thinking I'll just shout it out. I think I'll shout it out. I think I'll shout it out. Crazy, bro. My phone got disconnected. Couldn't authenticate. Couldn't authenticate, bro. Oh my fucking god, this code works. Damn. Damn. So, okay. So we'll stop it for now because. Okay. So now let's check if my Samsung phone is connected. So I think it will get connected automatically. Yeah, it got connected. But now what we're gonna do right now is we will use the same command, but instead of using, so basically 927F2C4C15 F4 is nothing but my Samsung phone. So let's change it. Let's check for my host computer. So let's check for the second one. So this is for sure my host computer, and let's just press enter. Right, right, right. Yep, bro. So it's continuously sending these packets to and fro and both places. You know what? I think we got disconnected. Okay, crazy thing is we didn't get disconnected. But let's try running this. I think we got disconnected. Damn! I'm so happy for the first time my connection got disconnected. Hopefully it's getting recorded, bro. This shit is crazy, bro. Okay, now something else, something else, something else. So at the same time, we want to try a new terminal. Let's add a new terminal and let's see if it can handle multiple devices. Um, okay, it has a limited shit right now. Okay, so let's just stop this and let's just copy this. We'll run this code again, Control Shift C, and paste it. So, oh no, no, no. How do I end this? Okay, clear. Um, Shift V. So this is my desktop, and this should this should be my laptop. The down one you can see 97 is for my iPhone for my Samsung phone. You press enter, and at the same time we press enter. Okay, let's just check if my laptop is connected. It's connected right now. And let's just check for images. Yeah, it's working. Now what we do, we just press enter. Because, wow, let's just see. So it is running two things at the same time. So let's see. Yeah, it got disconnected. Let's check my phone. Yeah, the authentication problem. Crazy. You know what? I think I have become a hacker right now. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even have, bro. This how do I say? This computer doesn't even have access to this Wi-Fi, and we're able to disconnect these devices. Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. This is one of the best videos ever I have produced on this channel. Um, in my experience, I feel like a hacker. Not gonna lie. Damn. So just Control C to stop it, and Control C to stop it. Start sending this, and wow, just wow. Network is down. Network is failed. Why? Why is it showing? Network is failed. Network is failed. Okay, no worries, but it works. Anyway, so clear everything. We know the commands right now, buddy. That we can just wow. This shit was crazy. So wow, wow. I feel like a hacker. If somebody comes to me and be like, "Bro, somebody is just so many networks are on this connection. Can you just disconnect them?" I'm like, "Yeah, bro, for sure. Let me just disconnect it right now. Let me just make your internet faster. What is your MAC address? I'll just net. Oh, okay, this is your MAC address. Except all of these devices which are connected to it, I'll just disconnect all of them. The multiple, learn multiple, like this. Yeah, wow, wow, crazy, bro, crazy. Whoa, it was such a good video, man. So, anyways, so this is the best video. This is just the best video. So I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, you know what you need to do. You need to just keep hacking, buddy. Keep hacking.